Mathematics 3. Comparing numbers up to 10,000. Equal to, greater than, or less than. Quarter 1. Week 8. Day 1. What is the value of 2? 2000. What is the value 3? 300. What is the value of 5? 50. What is the value of 7? 7.
The symbols used for comparing numbers are: this symbol is read as less than. This symbol is read as more than. This symbol is read as equal to. Last school year, 2,683 pupils were enrolled in grades 1 to 6 in an elementary school. This school year, the number of pupils enrolled in all levels in the same school is 2,974. Did the enrollment increase from last year to this year? Let us compare the numbers using the place value chart. Thousands, last year, 2, this year, 2. Hundreds, last year, 6, this year, 9. Tens, last year, 8, this year, 7. Ones, last year, 3, this year, 4. We start comparing the digits in the highest place value, the thousands. Thousands, last year, 2, is equal to this year, 2. The digits in the thousands are the same. We proceed by comparing the digits in the next place value, the hundreds. Let's compare the digits in the hundreds place. Hundreds, last year, 6, is less than this year, 9. Then 2,683 is less than 2,974. Therefore, there are more pupils enrolled this school year than last school year.
Tens and ones don't need to be checked because we already found the difference in the hundreds. Tens and ones don't need to be checked because we already found the difference in the hundreds. Step-by-step comparison. 1. Thousands place both numbers have 6, so they are equal here. 2. Hundreds place 6,345 has 3, while 6,435 has 4. Since 3 less than 4, we already know that 6,345 less than 6,435. Three. Tens and ones don't need to be checked because we already found the difference in the hundreds. Direction. Compare the numbers. Use the symbols. Activity title, Compare and Shop. 1. Look at the prices of 2 items, e.g., toys, snacks, school supplies. 2. Compare the prices using greater than, less than, or equal. Which one is more expensive? Which one is cheaper? We compare numbers to know which is more or less. We do this when we check prices at the store, scores in games, or how many things we have. It helps us make good choices every day.